Up next, we got this 2018 Jeep Wrangler. Nice paint, nice paint. It's like a candy paint. You know, when it comes down to these cars and these beautiful paint jobs, I love recording them. I love spraying them. I love watching them glow in the sun. And this is straight from the factory. It's like a cobalt blue. I'm gonna pull the code up, let y'all see the code, tell y'all the code. And you know, I'll be doing the grill and just this hood. Primer this hood, block it out, paint the hood. But yeah, this is where we have it. 2018 Jeep Wrangler with a nice bluish cobalt blue, but as I walked around, it kind of looked purple. Oh my God, it's beautiful. Paint code, let's get the paint code. It's PBM, PBM. Yeah, I got it primed all up. I done blocked it out. 2K high build primer. It's primed, blocked out, sanded, ready, feathered. The whole hood has been sanded. About ready to get to it. A little dusty. I'm gonna clean it up, wipe it down. You know, and we're gonna get to it. But to all my subscribers, to everybody who watching the video, and y'all let me know, leave it down in the comments what more y'all want to see. Because as you see, I do pretty colors, I do restorations, I got a couple old schools, 7-in-1 Cutlass Vert. What y'all want to see? I got a dome on building, everything. There we have it. Nicely done, all cleared up, shining, still in the booth. Blend it out, can't tell the difference. Got that in there. Nice and glass. Still in the booth. Ain't even been took out yet. Wet sand buff, none of that. Finished product out in the sun. There you have it. Blended nice. You know, metallics jumping. Straight out the booth, no wet sand and buff. You can see the clouds. And they ain't talking about clouded paint, but the clouds. The actual clouds.